Hi, Dr. West here with a brief PowerPoint presentation on creating professional poster sessions. First, I'd like to give you a tour of what these look like in professional meetings. Let's start with going to the American Public Health Association meeting that was held a number of years ago in San Francisco at the Moscone Convention Center. Usually poster sessions are held in the exhibit hall, and you can see there are aisles of poster sessions here. In fact, there's over 300 exhibitors over multiple one-hour sessions across the several days of the conference. In the conference program, you can look up the particular title of a poster you want to go see, figure out what day it's held, and then go find it in its aisle. With the poster sessions, the sessions are numbered. This one is 4269.0 and listed in the program by day and by author and topic. So you can find which session you want to attend if there's something you want to see. Then each poster has a bulletin board to attach to, and each bulletin board has a number, and that's the number of the session within this poster time period. And then finally, each author sits or stands by their poster to answer questions as people come by to view their session. Many posters are prepared in PowerPoint, but they are printed on a single poster roll that make it easy to transport. Now let's go see how nurses do it. This is from the Sigma Theta Tau National Conference in Texas in November 2011. Here again, we can see bulletin boards lined up and posters are attached to them. We can see in the top right-hand corner a little white piece of paper which indicates the session number. When viewing a poster session, you can walk between the rows of posters on the bulletin boards, and then you can also stop and approach the authors who will be close by to ask them questions about the poster itself. Some posters are quite creative. You can have handouts available for people to take with them. You can include your business cards. And again, there's the session number up in the top right-hand corner, which will be in the program. This poster is made using PowerPoint slide printouts. These are 8.5 by 11 inches of paper, one slide per page. This makes it really easy to take your poster on a plane if you're traveling out of town. When you have a poster like this, each bulletin board has a cup with thumbtacks on it, or push pins in this case, so that you can post your slides. Posters can be of graphics or as a research poster with all the parts of a research paper with thesis headings that explain the project and the authors. This poster has handouts that are the exact replica of the poster itself. Posters can also display data charts and graphics rather than text. Posters often have sections with headers that match the headers in a standard academic paper or thesis. Nurses like to add conceptual frameworks to their posters and include theoretical framework. And you can include the nursing model and a literature search strategy. You can even include a Wordle and a quilt. Yes, this was a poster on birth of innovative education in maternal newborn nursing, and the nurses had created a quilt which became part of the poster session. You don't have to do a quilt. And also there are tabletop poster sessions using trifold display boards. This allows for standing displays without the big bulletin boards that we saw. These are usually 36 by 48 inches and available at most supply stores around $3 to $6 each. And you can see that there's basically 4 panels, and each panel can hold 4 printouts, 8.5 by 11 page printouts. Remember this presentation pinned to the bulletin board? It easily becomes a tabletop poster. Just attach those PowerPoint printouts to the trifold board. Add a title, and you're ready. So until the next conference, I hope you got some good ideas for making your poster presentation. Thank you now.